This is Mars, the red planet, the fourth planet from the Sun, and a planet that we have been studying for many, many years. This planet has been capturing the attention of astronomers and scientists for eons, and for centuries in fact. What makes Mars so special is that it is one of the most habitable worlds in the solar system next to Earth. But Mars has a lot of differences between it and Earth. A journey from Earth to Mars takes 6 to 8 months with the lack of technology that we currently have available. Billions of years ago, Mars may have looked something like this, a tropical planet, just like Earth, covered in water and land masses. But over time, the power of the sun grew greater and greater that it evaporated all the water on Mars, causing Mars to end up as a hot, desolate, red landscape. Over the course of billions of years, scientists have, according to scientists, over the course of billions of years, all the water has dried up, and they think that all the water is right underneath Mars. But we're not too entirely sure, because we can only speculate that there is water on Mars. Mars has 2 moons, 2 little ones, Phobos and Deimos. In terms of the landscape, Mars looks a bit like something that you'd see out of like Arizona or Texas or even Nevada. Vast dunes, rocky landscapes, cliffs, mountains, everything. But we got some of the best photos ever of the surface of Mars thanks to the one and only Mars Curiosity rover. As you're about to see here, the Curiosity rover has captured some of the best photos ever during its expedition on Mars. This picture has actually caught my attention. I'm not too entirely sure what it is, but I think it looks like a piece of an asteroid that crashed into Mars billions of years ago, and it's been sitting here since it crash-landed on the red planet. The Curiosity rover captured this, but I couldn't find the exact date of it, because to me, I only chose the best pictures that were the best ones of Mars to me. However, of all of the famous places on Mars that have really captured the eye of scientists is Olympus Mons, of which is higher than Mount Everest at 13.6 miles or 72,000 feet or 22 kilometers or 21,945.6 meters, higher than Mount Everest. We have not gone to Olympus Mons yet, but we can only imagine, and we think that Olympus Mons was once a volcano from billions of years ago that has now died after being silent for billions of years. Mars is a very interesting yet dangerous place. Dry, desolate, and perhaps does not have life. But one thing about Mars that not a lot of people know of, that not a lot of people talk about, is that Mars has its own sound, of which the sound of the neighboring red planet sounds like this. Even though we currently don't have the right technology to send a person up to Mars, all we can do is dream and hope that Elon Musk's SpaceX program, which is when he'll be sending people to Mars by the 2030s, hopefully that goes according to plan. But to be honest, I'm not ready to step foot off Earth, thank you very much. But all that we can do is dream about going to Mars, and we can only think about what it would be like to stand on the red planet and looking back at the Earth as well as the sun and seeing the world that we just came from. Now this is the end of the rocky terrestrial planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And coming soon, we'll be visiting the gas giants and their many moons. I'll see y'all next time. Take care.